Hey there, welcome back. Today we're unboxing the EZR26-5G router and showing you everything that comes in the box. First, look at the packaging. A sturdy eco-friendly brown box with a sleek Signal logo. Inside, a neatly secured white inner box keeps everything protected. The smart flip-top design means no need to remove the inner box, just open the flaps and start unboxing. Let's check out what's inside. First thing you'll see when you open the box is a quick guide. It gives you a simple setup overview. But if you need more details, there's a QR code to check the full menu online. Once we open up the inner box, the first thing we see is the router itself, neatly packed and well protected with foam padding to ensure safe shipping. Underneath, we've got all the accessories. The Wi-Fi and 5G antennas each have their own slots, keeping them secure. We've got 4 5G antennas. And 3 Wi-Fi6 antennas, along with the power adapter and a 1-meter LAN cable. With the accessories out of the way, let's take a closer look at the router. Up front, you've got LED indicators and dual SIM slots. Swing around to the back, there are 3 1GB LAN ports, a 1GB WAN port, plus a high-speed 2.5GB LAN port, and of course, the DC power input. For antennas, there are 4 5G connectors, 2 on each side, and 3 Wi-Fi6 connectors on the back to keep your signal strong and stable. The whole thing is wrapped in solid aluminum with a heat-sink cover, so it stays cool even when it's working hard. And flipping it over, you've got 4 rubber feet to keep it steady on any surface. Nice and simple. These 5G antennas are fully adjustable. You can tilt them 90 degrees to get the best signal wherever you set up. And the Wi-Fi6 antennas, same thing. Fully adjustable for optimal coverage. For power, you've got a 12-volt adapter. Depending on your country, you'll get the right block type, so no need to worry about compatibility. And there's also a 1-meter Ethernet cable included, perfect for a quick wired setup if you need it. So that's the unboxing. Looking forward to testing it out. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.